I truly understand that feeling of persistent fatigue and unexplained bloating that can utterly cloud your day. But what if the root cause isn't just stress or diet, but microscopic gaps in your gut lining? This condition, known in scientific circles as increased intestinal permeability, is where the beautifully intricate barrier of your gut begins to fail, forming the foundation for chronic low-grade inflammation throughout the body. When this barrier is breached, particles that should never leave the digestive tract, like undigested food proteins and bacterial endotoxins, can enter your bloodstream. This triggers a constant systemic immune response. As research from institutions like Harvard Medical School highlights, this is the basis of the gut-brain axis. That brain fog you experience? It can be a direct consequence of gut-derived inflammation affecting your neurological function. The same mechanism can manifest as skin conditions, aching joints, and autoimmune flare-ups. The solution begins not with complex pharmaceuticals, but with fundamental building blocks. Bone broth, a traditional elixir, is exceptionally rich in specific amino acids, crucial for gut repair. We're talking about glycine, proline, and glutamine. Glutamine, in particular, serves as the primary fuel source for the cells that line your intestines, providing the raw energy needed for them to regenerate. Glycine and proline are the core components of collagen, which literally forms the scaffold of the connective tissue needed to seal those intestinal gaps and rebuild a strong, resilient barrier. Whilst providing the building materials is essential, we must also create the right conditions for construction. This is achieved by pausing digestion. Therapeutic fasting gives your entire digestive system a profound rest, allowing the body to divert a vast amount of energy from breaking down food to deep cellular repair. This process, known as autophagy, is the body's internal housekeeping service. It clears out damaged cellular components and dysfunctional proteins within the gut lining, making way for the new healthy tissue you are building with the nutrients from the bone broth. Now let's translate this science into a precise, actionable protocol. The first step is sourcing the right tool. Your bone broth must be of the highest quality. This means it is derived from grass-fed or pasture-raised animal bones, as this profile contains a better fatty acid and nutrient composition. The key is a very long, slow simmer of at least 12 and preferably up to 24 hours. This duration is non-negotiable, as it's what's required to break down the collagen and connective tissue into easily absorbable gelatin and amino acids. For your therapeutic fast, your first highly specific solution is this. Consume 3 to 4 large mugs, which is approximately 750 millilitres to 1 litre of this high-quality bone broth spread throughout the day. This provides a constant supply of electrolytes to prevent fatigue and the amino acids needed for repair, making it far superior to a water-only fast for this specific purpose of gut healing. The second specific solution is the duration. A 24 to 48-hour fast is the ideal starting window. This is long enough to significantly reduce inflammation, initiate autophagy, and give the gut lining a meaningful chance to begin repairs. Yet it remains manageable and safe for most individuals. After your fast, the reintroduction phase is critical for long-term success. You cannot return to the habits that damaged your gut. This brings us to our third and most crucial solution. For the next 30 days post-fast, you must strictly eliminate 3 primary gut irritants. These are refined sugar, which feeds pathogenic bacteria, industrial seed oils, which are highly inflammatory, and for many, gluten-containing grains, which can irritate the gut lining. Simultaneously, you will introduce 1 to 2 tablespoons of live, fermented foods daily. Think sauerkraut, kimchi, or kefir. These act as probiotics, repopulating your gut with the beneficial microbes essential for maintaining a strong barrier. This combined strategy of removing the aggressors whilst adding the protectors is how you solidify your results and build lasting gut resilience.